This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I will show you my new tool. It can recover passwords for RAR files, PDF files, and hashes. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your browser, visit my channel, click on the bio section, and then click on the Terabox link. Now, click on the Tool Market folder, then open the Windows Software folder. There, you will find the Ghost Cracker 01 folder. Simply select it, click Save to Terabox, choose your desired location, or click Go to Cloud Drive. Now, select the tool folder once again and click the Download button. Please wait until the download process is completed. After the file has been downloaded, navigate to your desktop. Extract the zip archive. Open the extracted folder and launch the application. If a Windows security prompt appears, click More Info and then choose Run Anyway to continue. Our tool is successfully launched and you can see the cool interface and UI. Simple and easy to use. So I have some zip and RAR and PDF files and also some hashes where we will try to crack them by our tool. So I will show you. First I will try to extract the file and you can see it is asking for a password. Now let's check the other one and also the PDF file. You can see all of them are asking for passwords. Also I have a hash generator where we will generate some small hashes and try to crack the hash. So I will open my hash generator and create a random MD5 hash using a simple number. Then I will copy the hash and go back to the tool. Now press Option 1 to load your target zip, RAR, or PDF file. Simply drag and drop the file into the tool and it will be loaded automatically. And it automatically detects the file you loaded, whether it is a hash or a file. Now press Option 3 for the brute force attack to crack the hash, then click Option 1 for digits. It will ask for the password length, so I will type 6. Now just wait for it to crack the password. It will take some time, so I will speed up the video. Cool, so it found our hash, and I will also show you both the original hash and the tool results so you can see they both match. It successfully cracked the hash. Now let's try another hash, which is longer than the previous one. Okay, so I will generate another hash like a SHA-1 hash. I will generate it and copy the hash, then go back to the tool. Again press Option 1 and paste the hash there. After that select Option 3 for brute force the hash. So I will choose Option 1 which is digits and set the length to 8. Now let's wait for it to crack the hash, and I will speed up the video again. Perfect, so you can see it also crack the hash and you can see both results are the same. Now let's try the RAR file to crack it. So I will press Option 1 and drag and drop the RAR file into the tool. After dropping the file, now press Option T-WO for dictionary attack. Then you can drag and drop your word list and it will automatically start the process. Perfect, it found the password. So now let's copy the password and try it on the RAR file to see if it can successfully extract the file or not. I will paste the password here and press Extract. As you can see, the file has been extracted successfully, which means the password is correct. Now again press Option 1 and load another file, I dragging and dropping it into the tool. Then just press Option 2. And it will automatically start the process using the same word list that was already loaded. Perfect. So we found the password again. Now let's try and see if it can open our zip file or not. As you can see, it successfully unzipped the file again. Now let's try the last target, which is the PDF file. Again press Option 1 and load the PDF file. Then simply press Option 2, and it will automatically start the processing. Perfect, it found the password, so I will copy it and open the PDF. Then paste the password here. As you can see, it opens and successfully unlocks the protected PDF file. Now let's come back to our tool. Option 4. Rule-based attack. This mode uses a smart wordless system that automatically modifies words in different patterns and variations to improve the chance of finding the correct password faster. Now Option 5. List supported hashes. This option shows all the supported hash algorithms in the tool, which are 60 different hashing types. Let's move to Option 6. Creator profile. This option shows the developer's profile information, including social links and project details. Hope you enjoyed the video and understood the tool. Thanks for watching and supporting. See you soon with another interesting tool and update.